Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can create sale invoice in BizOps app. We use sale invoices to keep record of our sales. Before moving forward, quickly subscribe to our channel to watch more videos and stay updated with BizOps app features and updates. Let's start. Click on the Add New button in front of the sale invoice. Select customer from here. We have already created a demo customer here, but if you want to create new customer, then click on the plus icon from above. For now, I'm selecting customer from here. From above, by clicking on the drop down icon, you can select sale invoice form type. Click on the drop down icon. Here you have three options: export invoice, retail invoice or wholesale invoice. If you are creating invoices for customers, then select retail invoice from here. If you are creating invoices for wholesalers, then select wholesale invoice from here. If you are creating invoices for out of country customers, then select export invoices from here. For now, retail invoices selected from here. Here above on top left, sale invoice number is already added. If you want to change the sale invoice number, then click on the sale invoice number. You can add it from here. Invoice number, you can add it from here. And if you want to change prefix, then click on the change prefix button. You can change prefix from here. I am not doing, that's why I am clicking on cancel button. If you are changing this, then click on the save button to save this. For now, I am clicking on the cross button. In the right side, by default today's date is selected, but if you want to create the sale invoice for previous date, then click on the calendar icon. Select date from here and then click on the OK. Right now I am not changing the date, that's why I am clicking on the cancel. Next option is state place of supply. By default state place of supply is already selected, but if you want to change the state place of supply, then click on the drop down icon. Change state. I am not doing right now, that's why I am clicking on the close. Next one is item. For adding item, click on the plus item button. By default, we have already created a sample item here. If you want to create new item, then you can create by clicking on the above plus icon. Select item from here. Now the next option is rate. By default, rate is already mentioned here. If you want, you can change the price or rate here as well. Next one is quantity. Add quantity here. For example, I'm adding 10. You can add accordingly. Next one is discount. If you want to give discount on an individual item, then add discount here. For example, I'm adding 1. Next one is text category. Click on the drop down icon. Select text category from here. Next option is HSN. I'm adding HSN for example only. You can add accordingly. Here you can see your item total. And the next one is notes. If you want to add notes, then you can add here. After adding all the details, click on the done button to save the details. And if you want to add more items in the same invoice, then you can add new items by clicking on the done and new button. I'm clicking on the done button to save details. See, your item is added here. You can see all the informations here: quantity, discount, GST, etc. Now the next option is charges. If you want to add any extra charges on your invoice, then you can add by clicking on the plus charges button. For example, packaging charges, delivery charges, etc. Click on the plus charges button. By default, I have already created, that's why it is showing here. If you want to create new charges, then you can create by clicking on above plus icon. For now, I am selecting delivery charges from here. Add value here. How much delivery charges you want to apply, and then click on the done button to save this detail. See, delivery charges added here. The next option is discount. If you want to add any extra discount on your invoice, then you can add by clicking on the plus discount button. Click on the plus discount button. By default, I have already created, that's why it is showing here. If you want to create new discount, then you can create by clicking on the above plus icon. For now, I am selecting discount from here. Add percentage, that how much percent you want to give discount. Next one is advanced properties. Click on the drop down icon. Here you have two options, net value and value of goods. If you want to add discount on the net value of your invoice, then keep selected net value, which is already selected. And if you want to add discount on the value of goods, means on the amount of your items, then select value of goods options. For now, I'm selecting net value option. Click on the done button from above to save the details. See, discount is added. Next one is round off. If you want to do round off amount of your invoice, then click on the checkbox on left next to the round off option. See, here your total amount is in round off. And the next option is notes. If you want to add notes, then click on the notes. After adding notes, then click on the OK. I am not adding anything here, that's why I am clicking on the close. The next option is other details. For adding other details, click on the other details. Add details here. First one is PO number. Add purchase order number here. I am adding only for example. You can add accordingly. Next one is PO date, means purchase order date. Click on the drop down icon. Select date from here and click on the OK. And now click on the done button to save the details. Next one is transportation details. For adding transportation details, click on the transportation details. The first one is mode. Click on the drop down icon to select mode. Here you have four options, air, rail, road, ship. For now, I am selecting road from here. The next one is transporter. Select transporter by clicking on the drop down icon. By default, I have already created transporter here, that's why it is showing here. If you want to add new transporter, then you can add by clicking on the above plus icon. I am selecting from here. LRCRRR number. Here you can add LRCRRR number. I am adding only for example. You can add accordingly. The next one is vehicle number. Add vehicle number here. After filling all the details, click on the done button from above to save the details. See, here transportation details is added. The next one is attachment. If you want to add any photo or image here, then you can add by clicking on the attachment icon. The next option is term of payment. You can select term of payment from here. By default, no due date option is selected. Click on the drop down icon. Here you have 5 options, 7 days, 15 days, 13 days, no due date or custom. You can choose accordingly. For now, I keep selected no due date. Click on the close. If you don't want to adjust payment against this sale invoice right now, then you can directly save this invoice by clicking on the save button below, as credit is selected as default option. Or if you want to receive payment against the sale invoice, then click on the payment option from below. Click on the payment. Here you can add details about your payment, that how would you receive your payment, by cash, online, through bank, PhonePe, Paytm, NEFT, RTGS, etc. If you receive payment in cash, then select cash account option from here. If you receive your payment through bank, credit card, PhonePe or Paytm, so you can select those options from here. Or if you receive your payment in 2 ways, then you can use split option from above. For example, your invoice total amount is rupees 1063 and you receive rupees 500 in cash and the rest amount through PhonePe. Enable split option from above by clicking on the enable disable icon. Now select cash account option and add rupees 500 and then select PhonePe option. Rest amount automatically shown here. Now I am clicking on the done button to save this. See, in payment mode, in cash account 500, PhonePe 563. Now after adding all the details, click on the save button to save your invoice. Click on the save button. See, your sale invoice is saved. Here your sale invoice preview is open. All the details showing here, item, GST, total amount, etc. From the below options, if you want to send this on WhatsApp, then click on the send button below. If you want to share this, then click on the share button. If you want to take printout of this, then click on the print button. If you want to download this, then click on the download button. If you want to create a new sale invoice, then click on the plus new button. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope the information given in this video is helpful for you. Let us know in the comment section how you like this video. Subscribe to our channel to keep update. After subscribe to our channel, you will get quick notification for all new updates for BizOps app. Thank you.